So we now have people on site, which is good news. Starting to set out, mark out obviously where the footings are going to be from the road. Temporary electrics have been put in. Believe it or not, that is temporary electrics. And we're going to set out here with a view to a porter cabin coming here for us to be able to use during the day. This in Barbados is called a well. It literally is what it says it is. Water collects into it. It's like a big concrete tub. But the city apparently tried to get onto the beach to do the seaweed and drove over it and crushed it, so that needs to be repaired, as they did all the curb work as well. And there's also another well just over there behind those trees. So technically this is going to be the main part of the house, 80 foot from me. It's about halfway where they are now. And then that will go over by about 40 foot this way.